Let's start from the inside and clean our way out. The first thing you should do when cleaning a microwave is remove the glass tray inside and the plastic disc it sits on. We recommend laying a microfiber cloth down and setting the tray on top of it as to prevent damage to the countertop or to the glass tray itself. Now it's time to clean the inside of the microwave. For this, you may use our hypochlorous acid, the No. 1 cleaner, or Dawn dish soap. When using any of these products, remember to spray directly on either your microfiber cloth, the magic eraser, or the blue sponge, never on the appliance itself. If microwave trays are heavily dirty and tough to clean, you may need to clean them in the sink as they may require heavy scrubbing. Please be careful as these trays are usually made of glass and can break. Once the inside of the microwave and the microwave tray are clean and dry, you're going to place the tray back inside the microwave and close the door. Now it's time to clean the outside of the microwave. We recommend using our hypochlorous acid as microwave buttons and their handles are considered high touch point areas. When using this product, remember to spray directly on either your microfiber cloth or the magic eraser. When finished, our client will have a clean and well sanitized microwave.